Check out this model page on Instagram. It has an amazing collection of photos, all featuring the same model. But here's the surprising part. These photos are AI generated. Yes, you heard that right. Anyone can create a model page like this and even make money from it. Want to try? I'll show you how, for free. Step 1. Find any model image on Google and download it. Step 2. Open ChatGPT, click on the plus icon, and upload the image you downloaded. Then type, "I need a detailed, unique, implicit text prompt to recreate this image." I need the detailed text prompt, not the image. Make it very unique. Let ChatGPT generate the prompt. While the prompt is being generated, search Affogato AI on Google and go to the website. Create an account. Step 4. Go to the Canvases menu. You can either upload your own character image or select any existing one. Some of my previously generated images are also available there. Then paste that ChatGPT description you copied as the Affogato prompt. Select size as InstaSize. Click Generate. After 1 to 2 minutes, your image will be generated. You can click Download and save it. What do you think about this easy method to generate images? Drop your comments and check out our channel for tutorials and tech news. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our update.